This is Jessica. She's an ordinary teenage girl. She goes about her day, just like any teen her age. She likes comics, anime, and art. She's her own individual. Jessica is irritated. She is being picked on at school. This is Amy. She used to be Jessica's friend, but stopped being her friend after a misunderstanding in 7th grade. Now, she is Jessica's enemy. Jessica is a bit of a nerd. She excels in all subjects, except gym. She is small and weak, and therefore an easy target. She has no friends, and eats her lunch alone. Jessica feels alone. After school, she goes to the library, then heads home. That night, as Jessica was doing her homework, she hears a sound coming from outside. She heads over to the window to have a better look. In the distance, she can see a glowing orb falling from the sky. "This looks interesting," she said. "I will go investigate." Jessica put on her hoodie and head out. She walks a bit and then comes up on the source of the glowing light. "What is this?" "It's some type of orb," she says. Then Jessica made the biggest choice of her life. She picks up the orb.
Hey kids, do you like video games? Are you awesome? Do you like awesome video games? Try out this game. It's called Machine Fable. It's full of fun, action, comedy, and battles. It will change your life. Machine Fable. Try it out today. Available on Steam.
It's a rainy day outside. The kids are stuck inside. They are very bored. They want something to do.
What are we going to do? I am so bored. Bored. It's boring in the house.
I am bored too. My brain feels like potatoes. I wish we could go play outside. I am so bored. Bored.
I know. Maybe we can play some indoor games. We find some rainy day activities. What about we read a book?
No, that is a terrible idea.
What about some TV? We can watch some of the YouTubes or some cartoons. What about it?
No, that is a terrible idea.
Then how about we build a time machine? Then we can go back in time and stop Skynet or the Terminator. We can even stop The Undertaker from losing WrestleMania 22.
No, that is a terrible idea. What if we come back as dinosaurs? I won't be able to brush my teeth if I am a dinosaur. It doesn't matter anyway. Look outside. The rain has stopped. I'm so glad I can leave the house now. I don't have to listen to your dumb ideas anymore.
The only dumb idea around here is your dumb face. Come on. Let's go play outside like primitive children from the 1960s.
So the kids went to play outside. Everyone loves to play outside. Everyone loves jumping over muddy puddles.
Welcome to Family Stew. Here is your host, Steve Marby.
Hey, welcome everybody. I am your host Steve Marby, and this is Family Stew. We got an amazing show today. We've got the one family. And over here we got the other family. Gimme this guy, gimme that guy. Let's play. We asked 100 people this question. We asked 100 people this question. We asked 100 people this question. What is what? We asked 100 people this question. We asked 100 people this question. We asked 100 people this question. Okay, this is your final question. You are playing for that car over there. Good luck. This is for the win. Boy, what an amazing show tonight. Everyone can be winners. This has been Family Stew. I am your host Steve Marvin. Join us next time. Goodbye everybody.
Have you ever felt tired, miserable, hungry and fatigued? Exhausted with things and stuff? Well then, try out Puppy Chew's Eyeball Network. It will change your life.
My life has been so empty, but then, I discovered Puppy Chew's Eyeball Network. It really changed my life. Now, I can live again.
I was in the upside down place, but ever since I've been watching Puppy Chew's Eyeball Network, I've been renewed. Receive free communication each time a new product is available with our exclusive notification program. Also, tell your friends about Puppy Chew's Eyeball Network by following these steps on screen. Puppy Chew, experience it today. Oh Roberto, my love, I need your answer. What are you going to choose? It's been long enough. I need your answer now.
Oh Valentina, my love, I cannot choose. I need more time. I'm torn between the options you presented.
Oh Roberto, my love, if you cannot choose, then let us listen to this beautiful music together.
Live from Upper East U Center, it's yet another late show, featuring our in-house crew, the Doggy Dog Band. And actual real, definitely not fake, guest celebrities. Here's your host, Dogface McGee.
Hello everybody, and welcome to yet another late show with me, Dogface McGee. We've got a fun-packed show for you tonight, but first, please welcome the Doggy Dog Band, and also my production manager, Fleabag McMullen. Please welcome our celebrity guest. Hi Emma, welcome to the show. You starred in this movie, Easy A. I have a question for you, but first, let's roll the clip.
Sometimes our boyfriend's parents, they get divorced, and it's important to remember it's not your fault. So I gotta go.
But they go to our church. What will people say?
How long do these embraces usually last? Because I gotta go. But are you gonna be okay?
Yes.
Tell me, did you really stitch the A to your garment? Was it difficult to do?
It wasn't that difficult. We just had to go to the gym every day. It was a very aggressive schedule. We just had to learn lines and read the book. That's it.
That's very insightful. Fleabag, tell me, did you enjoy the clip? Okay, thanks. Give it up for our celebrity guest. Thank you for joining us. This has been yet another late show. See you next time.